Oh. Wow. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Rocky, and today in this vlog we are going to do a new experiment, and that is Dalgona coffee. Let's try it. Let's start na tayo, guys. Let's test it our Dalgona coffee. And here's my son. He woke up. Alright, so he's gonna test with me. Okay, baby? The top, the Dalgona coffee, the creamy coffee. So, ooh, look at that. It's like an ice cream. Let's try it right now. Wow! My son is here. He brings his own plastic cup. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. For watching, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't, and please watch the next video right there, and see you in my next video. Bye.